मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत BJT बेस मल्टीस्टेज ॲम्प्लिफायर याचं वर्किंग कसं होते. ठीक आहे. आणि CE ॲम्प्लिफायर स्टेज 1 आणि CE ॲम्प्लिफायर स्टेज 2 हे एकामेकाला आपण कनेक्ट केलं आहे बाय युझिंग सम कपलिंग कॅपॅसिटर. ओके, दॅट CC. So this overall working principle can be explained in this lecture. Okay, then we start. Figure shows are single stage, two stage. Okay, this is one single stage, this is one single stage, and this is another single stage. Okay, first stage and this is second stage. These both stage are connected to each other by using coupling capacitor. Stage 1, stage 2 are both are connected to each other by using some coupling capacitor. Okay, then both the stages that is C amplifier stage. Okay, but the gain of this stage, the gain of output stage, it should be high. The gain of output stage should be high as consideration. Okay, the gain of this stage should be high. Output of first stage is coupled to input of second stage through coupling capacitor. Okay, this is already discussed. First stage output is directly connected to second stage by using some coupling capacitor. Okay, so these stage are connected to each other by using RC coupling, by using transformer coupling, by using direct coupling. There are 1, 2 and there are 3 types of coupling. Okay, so this type of coupling is generally used for these types of coupling. Generally there are 3 types, that is RC coupling, transformer coupling and direct coupling. In this our lecture we use RC couple. Okay, BJT based multi-stage amplifier by using RC couple amplifier. Okay, this topic is BJT based multi-stage amplifier. Okay, so there are minute difference between single stage and first stage and single stage. That is, this is coupling resistor. This coupling resistor available in RE1 and CE1. This coupling is available in stage 1, but this coupling is not available in stage 2, that is RE2. Not available at RE2, available at RE1. Why? What actually? What the major significance of that RE2? That is CE is not available. The CE not available in this area because of, we can discuss. However, sometime a common collector emitter follower stage is used in second stage. This is a this stage and this stage using R1 R2 and coupling capacitor, R1 R2 and coupling capacitor, because of for biasing purpose. And these are types of common collector. There is CC configuration. This is C configuration. In CC configuration, it is using generally second stage. Okay, but in this stage it is use C configuration. Both the stages of C type, this stage and this stage, both the stages are common emitter type. The emitter is common for input and output, so this is called as CE configuration. Okay, due to unbiased RE, the gain of stage 2 should be low. Okay, this RE is not available. This RE with CE not available. So due to this, the gain of output should be low, the gain of input should be high, but the gain of second stage should be low because of the unbiased RE, because of this unbiased RE. Okay, then due to unbiased RE, the second stage is low. The overall gain of a two stage amplifier equal to product of individual voltage gain of two stage. Okay, at then overall gain it is the gain of stage 1 into gain of stage 2. So this is the main formula of overall gain. This is the main formula of overall gain. Okay, and the overall input resistance Ri is equal to input resistance of first stage. The overall resistance is equal to resistance of input stage. Okay, so this is the particular working of single stage amplifier, BJT based multi stage amplifier. Okay.